When relaxing on the massage chair, the stress of the day finally melts away. Created by the massage chair brand Tokuyo, the lightweight mini massage chair TC297 is equipped with 3D movement, allowing the rollers to closely adhere to the shape of the body and providing better massages than traditional chairs. The compact size is suitable for smaller living spaces and has received recognition from the 2021 Taiwan Excellence Awards.
Tokuyo TC297 equipped 3D massage mechanism, SL frame massage from neck to hips, providing the emulated motions and techniques of an actual massage. Space-saving design for reclining mode, elegant appearance with 4 colors available, perfectly go with the interior design at home. Upgraded laser is durable than ever.
The packaged massage chairs are loaded onto the conveyor in a row to undergo testing one by one. Before shipping the packaged products, quality assurance is conducted with the highest standards. With more than 20 years of experience, Tokuyo is not only a leading brand in Taiwan, it also exports to more than 30 countries around the world, achieving stellar sales results at home and abroad.
Our focus is quite simple, to make premium health and wellness affordable to the market, also focusing on the customer's needs to develop products that could make them feel like they deserve to be treated well after a long day. Just like our slogan, 你辛苦了. We are offering a healthier lifestyle by providing modern massage equipment to the market.
The design staff carefully observes the rollers and records data, keeping a close eye on the strength and depth, in order to achieve sales through quality and understand the international market. Tokuyo has begun deploying the health brand ecosystem, using IoT technology to create more precise, customized services.
We decide to take our strengths and work with local partners in different countries. Tokuyo Group has 2 branch offices, one in Japan and Indonesia, 2 joint venture companies, one in Vietnam and Thailand. We believe that localized is the best method to get close with consumers there.
Looking at the past 2 years, the world changed rapidly due to the pandemic. Tokuyo has accelerated its digital transformations to meet the trend of retail digitization and deployed its home workout product line early.
In the past 2 years, as lockdowns became the new normal, business and consumers increasingly went digital, providing and purchasing more goods and services online. Therefore, we focus on online shops, developing and create omni-channel to meet customers' needs anytime and anywhere.
With these dual driving forces, Tokuyo has turned crisis into opportunity. With the factory abroad, Tokuyo can quickly satisfy customer needs and expand its sales market. Additionally, with the multiple platforms provided by Taitra, the brand power of MIT has been successfully shown to the world.